focus group, as I mentioned earlier, is actually one of the type of exploratory research. And a focus group is best defined as a small group of carefully selected participants who contribute to the open discussion for research. As its name shows, a focus group is that kind of a research in which a group which is again consisted of experts, and they have expertise in particular area. That group is made, and then they are called together and they are asked to discuss something on the particular case. So the focus group technique is used to explore the opinion, knowledge, perception, and concerns of the individual, that is again experts in the regard to the particular topic. The focus group typically involves 6 to 10 individuals who have some knowledge of, or they have the experience of that topic. So the use of focus group in a research method is particularly intended to collect data through interactive and directed discussions by the researchers. So here you can see a picture. There is a group of persons. They are sitting together and they are discussing a particular thing. So this is how the focus group is done.